Okay, fellas, as probably we all know, sometimes shit happens, and we have one of that accident, and the yellow connector is broken for the Makita battery, so let's replace it, made a new one. I will open the battery, of course. Okay, definitely what I need to do now, I need to remove this BMS. We need to unsolder it. Okay, now we have the almost fresh board here, and we need to remove this yellow connector, and to do that easier, I will solder here. So now we can use the solder wick or the solder tool. Okay, now I can feel that all the plastic piece want to get out, and of course I want to get it out. Okay, you have to remove it, all the connections. So now I will try to clean the terminals with a solder wick. Okay. Now if we have nice good holes, we need to put the new connector inside, and okay, it's a little bit hard when it's upside down. Let's try it. What you want to see here, you want to see all the legs out from the holes. Now I have it as it should be, so I will catch the big leg. Okay, it's hard to see for me what I'm doing on this angle. Okey-dokey, it looks not bad. Now we need to put it back in the battery, and I will clean this terminal. Now I will straighten the legs here, and I need to get this BMS back. Okay, it started to blink, so it's working, and this BMS is not a genuine Makita BMS, but still the pretty the same steps. Okay, let's make sure all the legs are going in the place where they need to be, and I can see that one leg don't want to go in a place, so okay, we'll push it in. Probably need to remove some solder here. Yep. Okay, the same will be on this terminal. So what can we do now? We can try to preheat this one by putting the solder. Okay, and we can see that the plate got out from the board, so that's good. Now let it cool it. I have the new solder tip for this one, and it's, I don't know, it's a little bit harder to solder with it. Okay. You can press the buttons. We have the 4 lights. That's good. So definitely now we need to assemble the battery. And if you made assemble, you will easily make assemble. That's so good. Let's try to test it on the tool. That's good. Double checking if it's not getting hard on the tool. No, it's getting easy. So that's good. Consider it as fixed. Thumbs up. Bye.